and taken a backdoor appointment. This is on letterhead of the society. It is not a backdoor appointment. With open eyes, you decided not to convene the selection committee. You appointed him permanently. Is there any other procedure to appoint any employee, the House College Code, or not to subject him to the guarantees given in the College Code?
No, sir. The thing is, well, but this appointment, so far as the appointment is considered, it was purely
You say it was purely.
on the terms and conditions of the society. And
Is there any enabling provision in the College Code? RGPV Act.
yes,
IGPV Act लॉर्डशिप
किस सेक्शन में बना है? 35 में.
yes,
37 है लॉर्डशिप. ये लॉर्डशिप आपके द्वारा ये डिसाइड किया था सिमिलर मैटर. ये सुप्रीम कोर्ट तक गया लॉर्डशिप, वहां से अपील्ड हो गया लॉर्डशिप. इसमें लॉर्डशिप ये
इसमें इंडेबिलिटी रेज नहीं हुई थी.
हाँ रेज नहीं हुई थी लॉर्डशिप.
इंडेबिलिटी रेज नहीं
हाँ
हुई थी.
इसमें पैरा 16 में है लॉर्डशिप. The respondent, may I read, Lordship? The respondent number 8 college is affiliated to the university, which is the state university constituted under Rajiv Gandhi Pradyogiki Viswavidyalaya Adhiniyam 1998, Act number 13 of 1998, for short Act 1998. As per section 37 of the Act 1998, the university is having power to frame the statutes, and as per section 38, the first statute will be made by the state government and copy shall be laid on the table of state legislative assembly. As per section 26 of the Act 19, the Executive Council of University is the supreme authority and has power as defined in said section. इसमें लिखा है लॉर्डशिप is subject to the provision of this act and the statutes, ordinance and regulation made thereunder. The Executive Council shall be the supreme authority.
This is the case where the tribunal said it has no jurisdiction.
yes. Well, it's because
Why it was not having jurisdiction?
because the tribunal have the jurisdiction only on those employees who are regularly appointed under the statute. Well, because the petitioner was not appointed under statute 30, therefore, well, the
Is there any other provision in the act you can appoint?
वो कल परसों आए यार 2-3 दिन से हफ्ते भर बाद वापस आए हम ठीक है ये साला पूरे दिन भी कब चलता है.
इनको कोई is there any other provision in the RGPV Act that you can violate the college code and appoint staff? It was violation on your part.
but he also accepted my 90.
You violate college code. You appoint without following the procedure of college code. Then you say that since we violated college code, hence he is not entitled to any protection. Tribunal will not have jurisdiction.